Hi, I'm Dan and we're going to take this fantastic Citroen C4 for a little test drive. Car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Clutch and the gearbox feel really good. Let's try all 6 gears. No issues there. The suspension is riding the bumps on this country road very nicely. The steering feels great. So the car is driving spot on as it should. It's a really nice car to drive, very easy to drive, very smooth, very easy gear changes, and you've got really nice specification as well. So you've got the large colour touchscreen multimedia system here. On there you've got the likes of DAB radio, as well as FM and AM and a CD player. You've got Bluetooth for your mobile phone, hands-free, and audio streaming. And down here you've got a USB port and an auxiliary in port for connecting your devices as well. Dual zone climate control means the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver should they wish. Got a really nice leather, flat bottomed, multifunction steering wheel as well, with cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, electric windows front and rear. So yeah, really nice specification. Plenty of power for this steep hill. It's a nippy, efficient diesel engine in this one. Driving really nicely. It's going to make a lovely car for somebody. Here we are back at base. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. Oh, I was just checking, I couldn't remember. Yeah, it's got reverse parking sensors as well. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.